Pizza machine can make various snacks. The flour needs to be processed with salt, alkali, etc. according to proportion. Put the processed flour into the pizza machine inlet. The mixed flour is made into a shell crisp or other shapes after repeated rolling. The final product shapes is formed by different molds. One machine can match several molds to make different product shapes. The machine is automatic quantification. Then place the shaped product in mold tray for the frying process. The pizza maker needs to be kept clean after using, in case of the residue will affect the function of the machine.